Cruz, and welcome to Typhoon Ready Minds, your trusted source for awareness, preparedness, and resilience in the face of storms. Our goal is simple: to empower communities to stay calm and prepared when typhoon warnings strike. Because when we are ready, we protect not just ourselves, but also our families and need.
The Typhoon Awareness website provides critical up-to-the-minute information on storm tracking, safety protocols, and emergency preparedness. Interactive maps allow residents to monitor storm paths in real time. Here, you'll also find evacuation routes, emergency contact lists, and a step-by-step guide to help secure your home and keep your family safe. Beyond safety tips, the site also features expert insights, survivor stories, and the latest research to help us make informed decisions and take proactive measures during and after a storm.
But with preparedness, often comes something we don't talk about enough. Preparedness pressure. This is the stress of many as feel when storm approach, deadlines, social media others, and fear of not being ready can cause panic, sleeplessness, or even rash decisions.
While urgency pushes us to act, too much pressure can do more harm than good, affecting our mental health, our decision making, and our physical well-being.
The good news is we don't face this alone. Communities provide shelters, hotlines, and neighborhood support systems. Asking for help is not weakness, it's wisdom. Together, we prepare better and stay together.
This is Typhoon Ready Minds, helping you prepare today for a safer tomorrow.